channel into something. So everybody got to know that, baby. Woo!
What is up, guys? It's your boy Dirtbike Guy 07. Hope y'all checking out the footage. Ain't gonna be that much today. I'm just throwing you some field mob footage. Like your boy kicking out some major wheelies. Get my game down better. Every day I get up on this bike, baby. So y'all check this footage out. You gonna see your boy bringing up this wheel. You know what I'm saying? You gonna see me bring up that front wheel, baby. Woo! I was really feeling it this day. It's like all of a sudden I had it. It was just coming to me. As you noted, like on that one, I had a little bit more riding time. It was just like I appreciate everybody who's been checking out my footage, you know what I'm saying? You know, working with what I'm working with, you know, I'm hopefully in the future it's gonna continue to get better. But you know, I'm giving you the best that I can do, and I'm okay with that. You know, it's YouTube, so we trying to just try to get the footage out there, get y'all to check out some on the TBR7 in case you had any questions. Can the TBR7 get up? Can it get up and do a little something? Hey, I'm showing you what it do, baby. Y'all like, subscribe if you're feeling the content. If you're new, I appreciate you. And if you old, I still appreciate you coming through because it counts to my self-esteem, to my confidence. Yeah, I want to drop it and, you know, stand alone and be like, yeah, I don't need nobody. But y'all count, baby, and I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all count. I appreciate you. Until the next time I'm ripping that throttle with you, baby. Dirtbike Guy 07. I'm out. Woo!
Alright, guys, don't wrap it up. Everybody got to know that, baby.